we're back again in Cumin de Ciao. In today's video, we're going to show you guys how to make Mul-Mul. The reason why we're making Mul-Mul today is because tomorrow is a very known Ethiopian Orthodox Tewahedo holiday called Debre Tabor. And that is why we're making Mul-Mul today. So, let's get started. So the ingredients that we're going to need is some banana leaves, some water, sugar, vanilla extract, some salt, and also we're going to need some Ajman seeds, some black cumin, and we're using coriander seeds. And if you don't have coriander seeds, you can always use ground coriander. And oil, active dry yeast. But what we did was we put the yeast in the water and made it wait for 30 minutes, and it looks like this. And lastly, we're going to need a lot of flour and a bowl. You guys can, a pot, you guys can use any pot or aluminum foil. Okay, now to start out, we put a hole in the middle. So first we're just going to put our water and yeast in the middle. And then we're just going to put our ingredients. Our sugar, a pinch of, and now I'll need 1 teaspoon of salt. You only mix the middle part. So we mixed the sugar, salt, and the yeast with water, and we just mixed together. So now let's go put the rest of the ingredients except for the yeast. We're going to pour Asian seeds, our oil, black cumin, our coriander seeds, and a little bit of our vanilla extract, probably 1 teaspoon. And now we're going to mix it all together. And we're just going to put some water. Now I put the flour in the middle where the wet ingredients were, and I'm going to mix it all together. And then we're just going to add our water little by little, gradually. And now I'm going to go by hand. Just going to mix everything. Okay, so she's mixing it all together to form a dough. That's what you want. You don't make it like a batter or like a water. You have to make it. So now I'm just gonna put all the water, and now I'm just gonna mix it all together. So now I mix, and it looks like this. You don't want it too thick or too thin. You just want it just right. So I'm just going to be mixing and making it in a circle. So I'm just going to. Now we're going to close it. And we're just going to wait for an hour to let it rise. See you then. So now our dough is ready, and it looks like this. So we pre-washed the banana leaves, and so now we're just going to assemble our Mul-Mul. So just going to take some of this. Okay, so you want it to be like this. It's not too big and not too small. So we're just going to put it in the Mul-Mul. And then we're just going to roll. Don't put it too tight because it's just going to, it expands in the oven. Just going to roll it. And now it's done, so we're just going to put it here. And then we're just going to continue doing the process. So we finished assembling our Mul-Mul, and it looks like this. So now we're just going to take a banana leaf, and we're just going to put it in the top. And we're just going to bake it at 375 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes. And also, it depends. We're doing for 375 for 30 to 45 minutes because we only have 1 layer of Mul-Mul. But if you have like more layers, you could add more time and more degrees. See you later. So now our Mul-Mul is ready. It looks like this. So as you can see, our Mul-Mul is ready. It looks like this. We also unwrapped it from our banana leaves. So we hope you enjoy it. We hope you make this. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share with all of your friends and family. And don't just watch this video. Make it happy Tablet